step-by-step guide short-term loan online applications through virtual PAG IBIG.
Short-term loan online application via virtual PAG IBIG. Loans such as multiple purpose loan or MPL and calamity loan. Before you apply online, make sure that you accomplish the following. First, filled out the loan application form. 1. Valid ID and loyalty card, plus need to apply to PAG IBIG branches. See previous video how to apply loyalty card, plus lastly settle photo while holding cash card and valid ID.
These are the guides.
Go to website of PAG IBIG Fund to www.pagibigfund.gov.ph and click Virtual PAG IBIG in menu bar. Secondly, after clicking Virtual PAG IBIG, it will appears like this. Click Apply Loan and next click Apply Short-Term Loan. Under Short-Term Loan there are different types of loan. You select your preferred loan you want to apply. The bar appears. Type your MID number and click Validate your MID. Fifthly, type your active Philippine mobile number and email address. This will important since the one-time password will be sent. To proceed the application, click Next, then click OK to proceed the application. You receive text one-time password OTP to your mobile number registered. Just like this. Enter the OTP on the bar and proceed. 8. Prepare your cash card. Choose the cash card you availed, then click Cash Card Number and click Check Cash Card Status. Prepare your loan application requirements, such as application form, valid ID, and selfie photo. Filled up the form. Then upload clearly the photos or scanned copies of application form, valid ID, and selfie ID. Important reminder to make sure the loan application form is complete and correct and signed. And under certificate of net pay should be completely filled up and signed by authorized representative of the company. After you loading the photos or scanned copies of loan requirements, click OK. Lastly, you can receive the loan reference number which you may use upon checking the status of your loan application from PAG IBIG.